Belly part, duha ka order. Maunang. Salamat. Okay. Tanda. Lechon Cebu. Okay, kani ang pano. Okay, salamat. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Andito tayo ngayon sa Liloan, Cebu. Na-miss ko yung Gogos Lechon. Actually, nakita nyo yung clip kanina. So, daming tao, daming nagbebenta ng mga pagkain doon. May lechon manok, meron din mga short orders na ulam, isda, and of course, the famous Gogos Lechon. Natikpan ko kanina yung balat. Napaka-crispy, tamang alat. Sarap pa rin talaga yung Gogos, guys. Ito yung mga go-to na lechonan dito sa Cebu na sikat. Marami nang nag-vlog dito about their store. Even yung, paano ginawing lechon, mayroong mga vloggers pinakita nila. Yung kilo nila nasa, I guess, nasa 800 per kilo. So, binili ko is around 2.5 kilos. So, located to just before sa yung malaking kurbada. And di kaabot ng simbahan. So, right in the middle lang. So, along the street lang siya. Makita nyo kasi may malaking signage doon na Gogos and daming nakapark. So, pag maraming tao, maraming nakapark, maraming bumibili, ibig sabihin masarap. So, if you get the chance to go to Cebu, if you want to try out the first time or if you're looking for a good lechon store in Cebu, I would highly recommend Gogos Lechon. Masih amin. Oh.
Yeah.
Kain tayo guys. Ito yung pinakamahal na rice, diamond rice. Puso. So mga Cebuano, alam nyo na, ito yung perfect na pares sa lechon. Ito natin yung laman guys. Ito yung laman niya. Kakamay ako guys, excuse me na lang. So puso, konting mang Tommy, baka naman. Ito yung sinasabi nilang sushi lechon roll. Actually, mukbang na to guys. Enjoy ko muna to guys. To top off, dessert tayo ng masi. Glutinous rice kakanin. Tas may peanut butter filling. Yan. Hi guys! So today is a Friday and yesterday dumating kami from Manila and I was so tired. Tulog na tulog kasi nakakapagod maghintay ng delayed flight. Early this morning, nakapag-order ako ng meat. I decided to cook my own version of pork adobo. Plano namin mag-picnic today. We're planning to go to El Corso, by the way. So, time check ngayon, it's already 4:30 p.m. Ready na ako. And ang mangyayari kasi doon is, mag-jogging muna kami doon by the sea. After ng jogging, magpipiknik kami doon. Simple lang yung ulam namin doon is just pork adobo and then paired with rice and then boiled egg. Ready na yung baunan namin. Nandito na. Dadaling ko kayo doon, of course. So stay tuned, guys. Punta na kami, guys. See you in 30 minutes. Hindi naman masyadong traffic ngayon siguro. So let's see how it goes. Guys, update lang, dumating na kami, ginabi na kami guys. Grabe yung traffic guys sa SRP banda. So dito ako ngayon sa parking and yan yung makita nyo, yan yung Lantau restaurant. So malaki yung parking nila dito. So this is located just right before New Star if you're coming from the south. So, before New Star, makikita nyo, 3 parts yun, entry nya. Entry number 1, and then second, and third one. So, pumasok kami sa entry number 3. And, malaki yung parking dito. So, for now, mag-jogging muna kami. Time check, it's around 6:30 p.m. So, usually, ganitong oras kayo mag-jogging and paminsan early morning. So, depende lang anong trip mo. So, yeah, kuha ko ng clip mamaya and then yung pagkain namin, dala naming pork adobo with rice and egg, and kukuha ko ng mga clips ng mga restaurants dito kasi marami. So stay tuned guys. Nakatapos na mag-jogging guys. Gulo ng buhok ko. Sobrang hangin dito guys. Guess nyo ano yung nasa harap ko ngayon. Look at that. Dagat yan guys. Yan, dagat yan dyan. Pupunta pa talaga yan doon. So dito ako nag-jogging kanina, paikot-ikot lang ako dito. Mahaba to na lane. So yan yung setup ko ngayon. Camping chair and isang small table where to put our food. May binili kaming Coke Zero, dito na binili. Then mangga. Kain muna kami guys. Medyo nagugutom na. 5 km ako. Took me about an hour and 10 minutes. Nakapag-burn ako at least 400 active calories. Kakain muna kami. Papakita ko mamaya yung baunan namin. Actually, dito na. Naka-prepare na pala. Papakita ko na sa inyo. Yan yung ulam namin guys, oh. Yung niluto kong adobo, itlog, tsaka shirataki rice. So, kain muna kami guys, ha. Zero, baka naman. Adobo. Ayun tayo mangga guys. Gandaan. Beaches mo din eh. Sa mga best-seller dito sir?
Sweet and salty, blueberry, raspberry,
Chocolate.
simple chocolate syrup.
Sige. Strawberry lang yun yung strawberry.
That's it.
Sige, pila order ni?
One scoop sir is 165 sir. Two scoop is 225. Three scoop is 275.
Sa kadakuan ng scoop pa na?
Sir, one scoop. Then 2 to 3 scoop.
Chocolate na lang, gani, strawberry. Guys, after chilling by the sea, kumain ng pork adobo. Ito guys, for dessert, gelato by Dendab Street. So this is chocolate flavor and strawberry flavor, which is two of my top picks for ice cream. Sarap yung strawberry yan. Anong flavor to? Ito yung salted caramel. Sarap lahat guys. Grabe, premium to ah. Like it. Yung 1 scoop guys, 165 pesos. So ako nagdalawang scoop ako. Ito yung isa. Ito yung dalawang scoop. Mainit sa labas guys. Iba yung mahangin siya, pero yung buga ng hangin is mainit. Kanina nga yung bili namin Coke Zero. Ang lamig galing ng rep pero just a couple of minutes mainit na.
Dua kasi save. Right.
Salamat kuya. Guys, pauwi na kami. Yung jogging sana naging food trip. Nagtambay kami by the sea. Kumain ng dala naming baon, which is yung adobo with shirataki rice. Nag-crave kami ng dessert, which is yung ice cream kanina, yung gelato. And then pauwi, sumingit pa talaga yung pork barbecue. Sabi ko gusto kong pork barbecue before umuwi. So bumili ako ng 3. So ending, naging food trip yung El Corso na trip namin. Tayo na lang bukas. Jogging na naman bukas. Ganun naman yung buhay. You make mistakes, you overcome your mistakes, and then ganun. That's how life is. So anyway, thank you for watching this video, this vlog. And I hope you're safe, I hope you're blessed, and you're having an amazing night.